Stuck with just one page on your hosting or site? It happens to the best of us. You start building, you get that single homepage looking great, and then you hit a wall. You need an About page, a Contact page, maybe a Services page, but you have no idea how to add them. Well, here's the good news. You can add unlimited pages in under 2 minutes. Let me show you exactly how. Alright, so I'm going to walk you through 2 different ways to do this. First, I'll show you how to use the built-in AI to generate a whole new page for you instantly. And then I'll show you the classic way, adding a blank page from scratch so you can build whatever you want. Both are really simple. Let's start by opening your site in the Hosting or Website Builder. This is where you actually edit and design everything. You should already have your project open here. Now the first thing you want to do is look over on the left-hand sidebar. See that icon that looks like 2 overlapping layers? That's your Pages menu. Go ahead and click on that. Once you do, a panel slides out showing you every page on your site. Right now, you probably only see your homepage listed there, so let's fix that. Look for the button that says Add Page and click it. Now here's where you have a choice. A new window pops up with a couple of options. You'll see one that says Generate Page. This is the AI option. Go ahead and click on that. This brings up a simple text box where you describe what kind of page you want. Let's say you need an About Us page. Just type something like, About our handmade ceramics business, or whatever fits your site. When you're ready, click the button that says Create a Page with AI. Now the system takes your description and goes to work. This might take just a moment to process, and then it shows you a few different design options for your new page. You'll see some highlighted suggestions. Pick the one that looks best to you, and click on that highlighted option. Once you've made your choice, a little AI prompt window will appear asking if you want to continue. Just click the Close button to confirm. Your brand new page is now created and added to your site. That's it. Super fast. But let's say you don't want to use AI. Maybe you want to build something completely custom from a clean slate. That's just as easy. Go back to that Layers icon in the sidebar and click it again. Then click the Add Page button once more. This time, instead of choosing Generate Page, look for the option that says New Empty Page. Click on that, and just like that, you have a completely blank canvas. No content, no design, just a fresh new page ready for you to drop in text, images, buttons, whatever you need. So whether you want a page written for you in seconds, or you want to start with a completely blank slate, you now have the power to expand your site as much as you want. And the best part, you can keep coming back to that Layers menu and adding as many pages as your site needs. No limits, no hassle. Thanks for sticking with me. Go ahead and try it out, and I'll catch you in the next one.